Good morning, children. I think everyone understood yesterday concept. What you are reading yesterday, children? Yes. So what you read? Write the numbers in numeric form. Yes or no? So converting the numbers, international system numbers and Indian system numbers that they are given in the word form and we converted into the numeric form. And along with that, what you did? We learned one more new technique also. Power of and base. 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3. If that numbers are there, means how to multiply that and how to write in the short form. Yesterday I explained you clearly. Okay, so I think everyone has understood that concept. Today, based on that concept, section wise. See, first explanation. What I said, to write the numbers in words in Indian system and international system. I told. So based on this concept, after that standard form I explained, and then write into the numeric form I explained. So based on these three concepts, okay, based on the three concepts, today each section, for each section, 4 sums I'll write it on the board. 1 you have to write along with me, and remaining 3 have to do as a homework. Okay, okay children, while you are copying questions, you have to use black pen. Okay, because you shouldn't get the confusion which is the question and which is the answer. And answer have to write with the blue pen. Okay, now shall we start, children? Are you ready with your black pen? Okay, start writing. Section 1, write chapter 1, recap, and Roman number 1. Write the following numbers in both or in international Indian and Indian international system. Okay, Indian international system. Now, first we'll write all the questions at a time. Okay. Now, first one, write down 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 0. Okay. Second one, B. 9, 4, 3, 2, 0, 6, 1, 5. And C. 4, 9, 3, 6, 0, 7, 8, 4. So 3 sums only I am giving, children. Out of 3 from each section, 1 we will do now and remaining 2 as a homework you have to do. Okay. Now after copying the sum, draw one line with pencil. Now copy the sum, children. A. What is that number? 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 0. Now which system you are writing? Indian system. Good. Write Indian system. Indian system. Okay. Now according to Indian system, first what you have to do? Insert commas. Then only it is easy for you to write in words. Okay, so from which side I am going to insert the comma, children? Yes, right side. 1. How many digits have to leave? 3 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Put the comma. Next, how many? 3 or 2? Yes, 2 digits. 1 and 2. Okay, now write place values above the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. After writing like this, then start writing in words. Put is equal to, and while writing in words, start writing from your left hand side, from the largest place value side. So here lakhs place value is there. This is the largest one. In lakhs place, what is the number is the children? 4, 6, 46. So together have to write FORTY 40 SIS 6 in which place value? Lakhs place value. Write lakhs. LAKHS lakhs. Next what is there? Together 7, 8, 78 is there? No. In which place value? Thousands place value. So 78 write inverse SEVENTY 70 EIGHT 1000. These two numbers in thousand now. So 1000. Next 3. In which place value? Hundreds place value. Write 3 inverse THRE 3. H means 100. HUNDRED 300. And last two numbers together FIFTY 50. Okay, so like that, after writing in Indian system, draw 2 lines with pencil and same number copy it here. Okay, I am writing this about section, children. Look at the board. Copy the number 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 0. Now which system you are writing? International system. International system. Okay. Now international system, according to international system, how many digits have to live for inserting commas? Yes, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, put comma, 1, 2, 3, put comma. Okay, now write place value from which direction? Yes, right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000s, then millions. Okay, now start writing from the right side. 4 in which place value? Millions. So write 4 millions. 647. Together have to read these 3 children. 647 in which place value? Thousands place value. So write spelling only. 600, 678. In which place value? 1000. Next 300, 350. Okay, so like this, Indian system and international system, in 2 ways we have to write. Okay, first section completed. Copy it fast, everyone. Share up the board? Yes. Roman number 2. Write down. Write the numbers in expanded form. Write the numbers in expanded form. Okay. Now, first one. First, what you have to do, children, with the black pen, how to copy this? A, B, C sums. A, I'll explain what to do. B and C as a homework how to do. Okay. Now, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 3, 1. Next B. 9, 4, 3, 7, 8, 5, 0. Next C. 8, 7, 9, 0, 3, 4, 2. Okay, now answer first one. After copying the sum, draw with pencil 2 lines. Then copy the same sum, first one. 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 3, 1. Okay, now what is equal to? Insert the margin. Expanded form always start from the left hand side. Okay, left hand side. Before writing that, insert according to Indian system commas. So 1, 2, 3. Insert comma. And next, how many digits there? Indian system 2 digits. Says 1, 2. Leave 2 digits. Okay, now write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, now first one in expansion form, then in expanded form. Now I am going to write expansion form. First, what is there children here? 3. Write 3 into, okay, 3 into, write 1. Then 3 is in which place value? Yes, 10 lakhs place value, no? So how many zeros have to write here? Count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next. Plus. Next, what is the number is the children? 4. So write 4. 4 into 1 after. Now 4 after. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means in 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. Plus 4 after, what is the number? 6. Yes, 6 into 1. Next, how many digits left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 after, write 4 zeros. Plus, next number what is the children? 8. 8 into 1 after? Yes, 3 zeros. Plus 9 into how many? 1 after? 2 zeros. Plus 3 into 1 after? 1 0 plus 1. Okay, now multiply this. 3 ones are 3. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Once again I write little up. Write 3. After 3 ones are 3. 3 next after 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 4. 4 ones are 4 after 5 zeros. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 6. 6 after how many zeros? Yes, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 8 after 3 zeros. Plus 9 after 2 zeros. Plus 3 after 1 zero. Plus 1. Like this to write the numbers in expanded form. Okay? Copy this one. After writing this one children, with pencil draw 2 lines and then start writing B1. Copy B1 and write it. 2 forms you have, 2 methods you have to write children. Expansion form, then expanded form. Okay? Next. Roman number 3, just now, yesterday we discussed, no? What is it? Yes, write in standard form or short form. Write Roman number 3. Write in short form. Okay? A. This with how to copy with which color? Yes, black pen. Okay? Right. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros plus 5 after 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros plus 3 after 1, 2, 3 zeros plus 2 after 1, 2 zeros plus 10 after 1 0 plus 5. Okay? Answer and draw one line, then draw with pencil 2 lines B. Look at the board. Sorry, 5 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 1. Okay, answer. Next, C. Eight after 4 zeros plus 8 after 5 zeros plus 4 after 4 zeros plus 2 after 2 zeros plus 9. So for these all three numbers, I think first one and C1 easily you can do. Yes or no? I know by seeing B, your faces are changing. Okay, now I'll give clues how to do this one. Okay, so first one children, B1, how to do this means 5 into 10 to the power of 4 is there. What I told you before the class, 10 to the power of 4 means 10, 4 times how to multiply, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so in bracket I am writing here, you can copy it, 5 into 10, 1 after, one more simple technical say now, 4 zeros, plus 6 after how many zeros? 6 into 1 after 3 zeros, plus 4 into 1 after 2 zeros, plus 1. Okay, you can copy that also. Now write into the, multiply this all, 5 into 10,000 is equal to 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 1. Now this you can write in the short form. Okay. Now for this writing, how to write in the short form is, first write the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay. Now put the counts. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs also you can write. 10 lakhs in which place value? Sorry, 16 which place value? Lakhs place value. Yes or no? 10 lakhs. So 60. Oh, now 50 is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay? 10,000. In 10,000 space write 50. 50. Next, this 5 in 10,000 place have to write 5. Next, 3 is in which place value? Thousands place. So in thousands place have to write 3. Then 2 in which place value? Hundreds place. And 1 after 5. For this simple technique, one more one I will tell you children. First number is there, no, count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write place value 6 place values. After that started insert the number of this. Then 6 zeros is there no here. Here must be 5 zeros. Then 4 zeros. Then 3 zeros. Like that it will be decreased to the 1 zero. So like that also you can form the short way. Okay. So these two have to do as a homework. Okay children, in next class we will discuss some more new topics. How to do that one I will explain you.